Haircuts with Frank. Hi, I'm Frank.
Hi, I'm Frank, and today I'm going to show you all how to do some haircut tutorials.
Hello?
Hold on a second. How you doing?
Hi, are you open?
Frank is always open.
Do you take walk-ins?
Frank takes walk-ins. Come on in.
All right, great.
Have a seat here, darling. And what is your name?
I'm Nicole.
Hey, Nicole. So if you don't mind, I'm going to show all the viewers how to do a haircut, and you have great timing, darling. So the first thing you do is you want to cape up the client. You want to make sure that no hair gets on her clothing. So you take the cape, throw it on her like this, and cape her right up there. There we go.
What are you doing?
And you want to secure the cape in.
I can't see.
Make sure it's clipped in.
I can't breathe. Oh my God.
All right, so clearly she's trying to resist my technique. So I'm going to just put a cape on her a different way, not the most traditional way. So Nicole, what kind of haircut you want so I can show the viewers here?
Just a little trim off the ends. No, nothing big. Just I want to keep the length as much as possible.
I know exactly what to do. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do a technique on when the client wants to leave the length. So basically,
see what you're doing.
That's all right. Don't worry about it. You don't need to see anything. So basically, you take the hair like this, right? Then you take your tool, which are the clippers right here. So once you have the hair secured in place, then you want to go in. You don't want to go too short because she wants to leave the length. Turn her clippers on right here.
What are you doing? Whoa,
Now.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, so clearly she's trying to resist. Stop resisting.
I can't.
Stop
I'm not
resisting.
ready.
All right, so sometimes clients give Frank a little bit of a hard time, but don't worry, I'm going to give her the best haircut she ever had. So let's try a different technique. Remember, she wants to leave the length on the sides, on the back. So I like to grab the hair like this. Now, don't worry, Nicole, I'm not going to go too short for you, all right?
Hope not.
So take the clippers like this. Now look.
No.
Sit still. Look, see?
No, I'm not.
I'm starting to
I can't do this.
I'm starting low. Now look, watch this.
No, dude, you're crazy. You're crazy. I'm out of here. I'm never coming here again, dude.
Oh, well,
Goodbye.
sometimes clients can't handle Frank's haircuts, and she'll be back. But anyway, thanks for watching, and bye.
Haircuts with Frank. Hi, I'm Frank.